Hello everyone, welcome to the new video, Be My Data.style. I will show you how to install the Windows 10 installer on your USB. Let's start! These are the requirements to install Windows 10 on a computer. RAM, hard drive. We will need a USB. Your USB greater than 4.6 GB. My USB is 8 GB, 7.44. Connect your USB. Verify having enough memory. We're going to the web. In description the video. Scene sweep entered. Click on the download tool now. Click. Wait, it will start the download. Open download. Click on the program. Opening program. We accept permits. We're waiting for the time to open up program. We accept terms. Click on the accept. Wait. Select create installation media. Select and next. Select language, system operating language, geo preference, language, Windows 10, architecture from the computer, architecture, and next. Finish next. Select a USB flash drive. Select and next. Take a look at the name of the shared USB. The name my USB is external. What is name is your USB? Click on the next. Wait. We wait. Click on the finish. Once enter. Now we try the USB. Open the folder in USB. Click on the setup point X. Wait, program. Wait. We wait program. Yeah. If the installer works, let it go. Exit the program. Now, showing computer. Once it's off computer, connect your USB. We're going is HP. Enter and view HP. Press ask. Start F9 boot device options. F9 boot device option. F9 USB Kingston data driver G3 hard drive 1 Kingston data driver G3 open installer Windows 10. Yeah, it's worker. Alright, it's ready. Installer Windows 10 from USB. We wait, installer. We wait, installer. Language, time, keyboard. Okay. It's all about the video. Thanks for watching. The next video. Like and subscribe.